Hello, welcome to my channel. The question here says find the area of the shaded portion below. So we have to look for the area of this shaded portion. Now, one thing I would like to do first is to use only a quarter of this circle. Just a quarter of this circle. That is what I want to use here. So this is a quadrant. That is a quarter of a circle or 1/4 of the circle. So when you divide this circle into 4 parts, this is just one of the parts. Now, the formula for the complete area of a circle is given as pi r square. This is the formula for a complete circle. But here we have 1/4 of a circle. That is a quadrant. That is a quarter of a circle. So for us to get the area of a quarter of a circle, we are simply going to take 1/4 of it. So I'm going to take 1/4 multiplied by this. That is dividing this area by 4. So this pi r squared divided by 4 is what I'm doing now by multiplying it by 1/4. So this is 1/4 multiplied by pi r square. So this is like dividing the circle area, the total circle area by 4. Now the next thing for me to do here is to substitute values now. So I have 1/4 multiplied by the value of pi is 22/7. So multiply by 22/7, then multiplied by the radius square. The radius of this circle is 7. So 7 square will be 7. Let me say 7/1. Then multiply by 7 all over 1. That is 7 square as r square. So now this 7 under here can cancel this 7 here. Then 2 in 4 will give us 2. And then 2 in 22 will give us 11. So I can move on to say that this area will give me 11 times 7, which is 77, all divided by, I only have 2 under here, so 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. So 77 divided by 2. So area of this quadrant now, this 1/4 of the circle, so the area is 77 divided by 2 will give me 38.5, and then centimeter square as the unit, centimeter square. So that is the area of this portion of the circle. So now, don't forget that this shape is a square because this is 7, which is the radius. This part is also the radius, which is 7 centimeter. So this part is also 7 centimeter. That is the radius as well. So if this is 7, this is 7, then this part will also be 7. And here we also have 7 as the side of this square. So the area of a square, you agree with me that the area of a square is given by L square. That is the length of each side square. So we have the length now, which is the 7, then multiply by another 7, which is the length of another side. So 7. So the area of the circle is 49 centimeter square. Sorry, the area of the square, I mean. So the area of the square is 49 centimeter square. Now, for us to get the area of this shaded portion, you will agree with me that it is simply the area of this square. That is this full part now. So the area of this square minus the area of this part, this quadrant here, will remain this shaded portion. So the area of this square, then minus the area of this quadrant here, will give us the area of this shaded portion. So we simply say the area of the square, which is 49, minus the area of the circular part, that is the quadrant now, which is 38.5 as we obtained before. That is 38.5. And that will give us 49 minus 38.5 will give us 10.5 centimeter square. So this 10.5 centimeter square is the area of the portion, and that's our final answer. So please subscribe to this channel so that you can get more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.